Welcome to Good Guys Auto Spa. Please like, share, subscribe on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. This is a basic decal installation. As you can see, it looks pretty basic. And what I'm going to do is prep with alcohol wipes. Make sure there's no grease on any of the items. And I'm going to be installing black carbon fiber, and it's going to give it a totally different look throughout. And here are the end results. Thanks for watching Good Guys Auto Spa. Good guys, good vibes. Welcome to Good Guys Auto Spa. Please like, share, subscribe on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.